Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu maghfiratuh. Welcome to Taha Institute of Science and Engineering. Now we are going to start the first chapter of chemistry, that is fundamental of chemistry. In today's lecture we have to learn what is science, the major categories of science, and what is chemistry and its role and importance of chemistry in our daily life. Before going forward, we have to know some background of science. So the science is as older as human beings in the earth. The Adam alayhi salam, the first man of the world. Allah Almighty has created a man and then gifted a man with the power of knowledge and wisdom. So man has always been inspired by the wonders of nature. He always been curious to know the secrets of nature and remained in search of the truth and reality. He observes many phenomena and tries to find their answers by logical reasoning. So the question is, what is science? It is the knowledge gained through the observation and experimentation, or the other definition of the science is that is the knowledge that provides understanding of the universe and tells us how universe works. So it is the word science that is derived from a Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. The major categories of science. Science has divided into two major categories. The first is biological sciences, the other one is physical sciences. If we talk about biological sciences, the bio means the organisms or living organisms. So biological sciences, it is the study concerning with living objects or living organisms. And biological science is further divided in two parts. The first is botany and the other is zoology. In botany we have to study of plants. We have to study of plants in botany. And if we talk about zoology, it is the study of animals including human beings. So it is all about the biological sciences. So the other branch of science, that is physical sciences. Physical science is related to the study of non-living objects. That is, for example, we have water, we have earth, moon, the rocks, mountains. These are all the examples of physical sciences. So generally we study matter and energy in physical science. In physical sciences we have five major parts, that is physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, and meteorology. Chemistry is this branch of science that is the branch of physical sciences. Remember, physical sciences that deals with the structure, composition, properties, and reaction of matters. So we keep in mind that it is all about the matter, the structure of matter, composition of matter, properties of matter and reactions of matter with each other. It is all about chemistry, and it deals with every aspect of life. Now we have to read some role and importance of chemistry in our daily life. It is a fact that we live in the world of chemicals. We all depend upon different living organisms which require water, oxygen and carbon dioxide for their survival. As we know that if we talk about the living organisms, we have two types: zoology and the other is botany. That is, in botany we have to study plants, and in zoology we have to study the animals. So both required water and oxygen, and if we talk about plants, they are also required carbon dioxide for their survival. So now just imagine the use of chemicals in every field of our daily life. Petrochemical products, medicines, drugs, soaps, detergents, papers, plastic, glass, cement, paints, pigment, insecticide and pesticides. These are all the chemicals that we have in our daily life usage. Now, the impact of chemical industry in our life and health. No doubt, the development of chemical industry has also generated toxic chemicals and wastes, contaminated water and polluted air around us. But on the other hand, chemistry is the knowledge that provides us techniques to improve our health, our environment, explore the natural resources, and to conserve the natural resources.